Welcome again to the Melling Law YouTube channel, where we talk about different estate planning topics relevant to people living in Utah. Today we're continuing our series about what to do when a loved one passes away. The first little video touched on what to do right after someone passes away, as far as just taking inventory and finding out who's supposed to be coordinating, where are the estate planning documents. And that's fine. And then after the funeral, usually we start the administration process. By then we usually have death certificates. So we go to all the financial institutions. If there are any financial institutions or brokerages, we give them a death certificate, let them know that this person has passed away. And if those accounts are, it comes down to what kind of an estate it is. If they're exempt from probate, usually that's less than $75,000, then those accounts can be accessed by whoever the estate administrator is. However, if the accounts are worth more than $75,000 and they don't have some kind of transfer on death or pay on death designation and they're not held in trust, then we generally need a court order to get into those accounts. Same thing for safe deposit boxes. We will need a court order. And to convey any real estate, unless that real estate is held in trust, we need a court order to be able to transfer any of that real estate or sell it or refinance it or whatever that may be. So once you've kind of checked with all these institutions to see what value there is, whether or not a small estate affidavit is going to work, then we start looking at potentially the possibility of probate. So we'll cover the probate steps at the final video in this series. So we're going to assume that this is a well-administered estate, that there's no probate. In that case, we'll cover some of these other things to do.